Hi guys, so to make this yummy jollof rice, we're going to start by getting your rice. I'm using foreign local rice, but feel free to use any type of rice that you have at home. Okay, so I'm going to wash it off using water as shown in the video. So you're going to do this, wash it off like 4 to 5 times, or until you're sure that the rice is clean enough. And so this is my last set of washing it. I'm just going to add more water and then rinse it off just when I'm doing the video. And then you're going to get a pot, and then you're going to put inside your pot, add enough water, and then you put on fire for it to parboil. Make sure the water cover up the rice, okay, just the way it is on the video. These are the next ingredients you're going to need. I'm going to be using red and yellow scorched bonnet pepper or atarugu, shombor, tomatoes and onions. So you're going to shred them into pieces and then add into your blender as shown in the video, and you're going to blend it. Don't forget to add water to ease the blending. Make sure you don't add too much water, you just need a little, like I said, this to ease the blending. Then go ahead and blend it smoothly as you can, as smooth as you can. When it's ready, you're going to add it inside an empty pot, put it on fire on a medium heat and leave it to boil while open. And so let's check on our rice. The rice is not ready for me at this point. Okay, I'm just going to make adjustment like this, and then I'm going to cover it and again for 5 minutes. At this point it is ready. Next now is to take it off the fire, and you're going to add cold water. Okay, we're going to rinse off and strain the water to reduce the starch that is inside the rice. You can do it twice or once is okay. So go ahead and strain out the water. So after this, I'm going to add another water, and then I'm going to put it inside strainer as shown in the video, just so that the water can drain off. And when you're done, you're going to set it aside. So checking on our tomato mix, look at it, the water is drained. You're also going to off your fire and set it aside. Using another pot, bigger one, because I'm cooking for my family. So you're going to add in vegetable oil, heat it up and add your minced garlic, ginger and chopped onions, and you're going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next ingredient is this tomato paste. You're going to also add it in and stir it till it combines well, and leave it to fry for 7 to 10 minutes until it changes color. Keep watching closely, alright? Make sure to stir from time to time. When it's ready, you're going to now add our boiled tomato mix, this one right here. Then you're going to also stir it till everything combines well, and then leave it to fry or cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir from time to time so that the under of your pot doesn't get burnt, okay? When it's ready, you're going to add in curry powder, thyme, seasoning cubes, salt, and then you're going to stir together. After stirring, you're going to leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you're going to add in your parboiled rice. Then rinse off the blender you use in blending your tomato mix and add in the water, and also the pot you use, and add the water. And you're going to mix it so that you will know whether to add in another water or to leave it like that. And when the water is at this level, do not add another one. And also, this is the perfect time for you to add your seasonings if you feel like any of the seasonings is not enough for you. Then go ahead and mix it together. And I'm going to be using foil paper and cover it up. Make sure it's covered tightly and use the pot cover also to cover it, and leave it to cook for 20 minutes on a medium-low heat. After the 20 minutes, you're going to open up just the way I did, and then you're going to give it a stir. So next, now I'm going to add in this butter. It's optional but very highly recommended. Okay, this helps keep your jollof rice moist and super delicious. So you're going to make sure everything melts inside the jollof rice and give it another stir, and then you're going to cover it back using the foil paper and leave it to rest for 5 minutes. If you are watching my video for the first time, I just want to say you are welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for viewing. It's so good to have you. Please do not hesitate to support me by subscribing to my channel, like the video, and also turn on the notification bell so you will always be the first to be notified whenever I post new recipe. Thank you so much. God bless you. And this is after 5 minutes, guys. Ta-da! Jollof rice is ready. All you have to do now is to give it another stir, and you go ahead and dish it and enjoy with your family. Before I go, I just want to say thank you guys for your support. To all my subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to leave a comment about this recipe. Bye. Take care of yourselves.